Welcome back to our channel One Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can delete the Midjourney image which is on the public server or like the public chat. Let's say you generated an image on Midjourney on the public chat and you don't want anybody to steal it, so you just want to remove it from the public chat. Well, there are some steps you need to do in order to do that, and let me show you how you guys can do that. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification turned on. And let's move on. Now the first step is you want to go to the image you generated. Now this will only work for the image you generated. Now since I don't have the premium version, I cannot show you over here, but I will show you on my server a demo on how you guys can do it. Alright, now let's say you want to remove an image from the public chat. Go to the image you want and hover your mouse on top of the image. Once you hover your mouse on top of the image, you can see all these reaction. From all these reaction, you want to choose add reaction. Once you click on add reaction, you can see the cross mark. If you don't see the cross mark over here where it says search, you can write CROSS. Once you search for cross, you can see the cross. You can click on it and a cross emoji will be added over here. Once it's added, it's going to be removed from the server or from the chat. Alright, now it's not going to be removed in my case because this is not the Midjourney server, this is my server. Now I could not show you how to do it over here because you need the premium version, but if you follow the same step which I showed you, and as you guys can see, the moment I hover my mouse on top of it, you cannot see add reaction. But if you had the premium version, you could see add reaction on top of the image you generated, and yeah, you can only see add reaction on top of the image you generated. Alright, so you can hover it on top of the image you want and click on the reaction and delete it. So yeah, that's how you guys can remove your photos from Midjourney. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe